Looking for a game that's super fast, really simple, and maybe just a little bit chaotic? Well, you have found it. This is TENZI, and in the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to play. TENZI is a frantic dice rolling race that's perfect for 2 to 4 players. It's just pure, high energy fun, and once you get going, you'll see why it's so incredibly addictive. So, what's the point of all this frantic rolling? What's the goal? Well, it's about as simple as it gets. Yep, that's it. Your one and only mission: be the very first player to get all 10 of your dice showing the exact same number. And setting up is just as quick, which means you can jump right into the action almost immediately. To get started, each player just picks a color and takes all 10 dice that match. Hold them in your hands, and believe it or not, you're ready to play. Okay, with your dice in hand, let's dive into how to actually play. This is where the frenzy really begins. It all happens pretty fast, so get those hands ready to roll. All right, here's how it works. First, someone just shouts "go," and everyone rolls all 10 of their dice at the same time. Next, you gotta be quick. Look at your dice and decide on a number to collect. Say you rolled the most threes. That's your number now. So, third, you set all your threes aside. Fourth, you grab all the other dice, the ones that aren't threes, and you roll them again. You just keep repeating that process over and over until all 10 of your dice show the same number. Now, this is the most important rule, so listen up. Only that very first roll happens at the same time. After that, it is a complete free-for-all. Don't wait for other players, just keep rolling as fast as you possibly can. It's a race. Okay, so you're rolling like crazy and you finally did it. You have a perfect set of 10 matching dice. So how do you actually win? The second you get all 10 of your dice to match, you have to shout one word. Yep, you guessed it, TENZI. The first player to get all their dice to match and yell TENZI wins the game. As soon as you shout it, the round is over and you're the champ. But the basic rules are just the starting line. Let's look at a couple of fun variations to mix things up. For example, you could play TENZI Tower. Instead of just setting your matching dice aside, you actually have to stack them one on top of the other. The first person to build a shaky tower of 10 wins. Or you could try Splitsy, where the goal is to get 5 dice of one number and 5 dice of a totally different number. And that's pretty much it. You now know everything you need to play your first game of TENZI. The game really encourages you to adopt the rules and even make up your own. So after you've played a few rounds, the only question left is, what kind of new rules are you going to create?